Okay, here I'm going to go over an introduction to biology and how to be successful so you're not feeling like this cat. So looking at biology, I don't want you simply to memorize. That's what a textbook is for and as a reference. What I want you to be able to do is to look at something, determine, hey, this is a normal, quote, healthy leaf, but how can we work with that information that we may gain? Looking at this leaf, we can see what makes it different. People might say it's brown, but noticing the brown is kind of located in a certain region. So being a little bit more specific and looking at seeing what that tells us. This all goes back to being able to problem solve, being able to take a situation and figure it out, even if it takes a couple tries. Now, while there's many educational resources available, hoping that you choose wisely, and we found this channel, and continue to look at some of the other videos here on Tobacco University. Now, what makes Tobacco University so great is anytime, anywhere, you can access it. Breakfast, dinner, snack time, nighttime, daytime, it doesn't matter. It's accessible for you. And when you're watching some of the content, you always want to ask yourself, how can I apply what I have learned? I can teach how all the pieces of chess move, but how do they interact and how can you put a game together? And that's what this is looking forward to producing. As I said, this is less of a concern of the actual process that you go through. We have to watch videos once or twice or look at subtitles. I'm more concerned with the final product and kind of grade the ability to problem solve and to work with the information, not necessarily how you go about learning the information, at least initially. This working with the information is great for long-term memory retention, and that's kind of the intention and goal here, is to be able to not just remember it for the test, but remember it for the longer term. Some of the topics that we're going to be going over in biology are kind of broken apart by quarter here. We have everything from biology fundamentals to kind of cells and DNA. And then we get into kind of a progression of evolution, plants and animals. And lastly, we end with body systems. So hopefully you have a lot of learning to come in the future.